Welcome to Flemdog Tutorials. Today we'll be looking at ions and formulas, and we'll be looking at what would happen if you had these two ions. If I had lead and PO4 3-, which is called phosphate. So how would that combine to make an ionic compound? So lead, Pb4+, and PO4 3-, how is that going to make an ionic compound? Well, here we go. We need the overall charges. Right now, this is +4 and this is 3-. We need them to add up to 0. So I like to take whatever the first number is they both go into. So if you do multiples, like 3 goes into 6, but 4 doesn't go into that evenly, and then 9, but 4 doesn't go into 9 evenly, and then 12, and both 3 and 4 go into 12. So if I said this one could get to 12 negative, and this one could get to 12 positive, it becomes a question of how many of these 4 pluses do I need to get to 12 positive? Well, it would be, I'll draw a picture of it first, Pb4+, Pb4+, that's 8+, and Pb4+. So currently, we have 3 leads, which gets us our 12. We would write that as Pb3, 3 leads. Phosphate, in order to get 3- to -12, we would need PO4 3-, so there's 1 phosphate, PO4 3-, there's 2 phosphates. We're at 6 negative, we're trying to get to -12, PO4 3-, we're at 9 negative, and PO4 3-, now we're at 12 negative. So we have PO4, and we have to put a parentheses around this to show that we have 1, 2, 3, 4 of them, and we put that 4 right there. So that's how we would write this lead. In this case, this is 4-phosphate. I hope that helps. Let me know what questions you have, and we can figure them out and continue our journey of chemistry together. See you soon.
Wonder, oh wonder.